Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Econ button in the new 18 Accord Hybrid. This vehicle is brand new and the Econ button has been around for quite some time, but I just wanted to explain exactly how it works in all of the Hondas, specifically in this one. Okay, so along the 10-speed automatic transmission in some of the vehicles, this one's just the electronic CVT in the hybrid, you'll notice you have your Econ button right here, your Sport button, and your EV, which is your battery button right here. So with the Econ button right here, you're going to notice if you push that it's going to let you know Econ is on in the center screen here. And basically what it is going to do is just kind of change the way your air conditioning works. It's going to kind of dumb that down a little bit, just so you realize that you know, if it's really hot in the middle of the summer, or you're driving on a road trip or on the highway, you're going to have less power coming out of the air conditioning. Another thing it will do is kind of cut the horsepower a little bit on the vehicle. You'll have a little bit less torque and power from the get-go. Again, it's just trying to be the most fuel efficient it possibly can be. Also, with the low end from just red lights and anything like that, you're going to notice you're not going to have as much power as you normally would in just the normal driving mode or sport mode for that matter. One other feature you're going to notice when the vehicle is in Econ mode is that the shift points of the transmission, not necessarily in the hybrid, but in the regular Accords and any other vehicle, CRV, Accord, Civic, any car that has the Econ button, you're going to notice with the CVT and a regular transmission, you're going to feel a different shift point. So it's going to feel, again, it's going to feel like the power is kind of dumbed down, but it's for a reason and to get you the best gas mileage possible. Alright, that concludes our video on how to work the Econ button. Nice quick tip there. You'll instantly notice gas savings as you're using that button. Super important to try to use that on the highway. While you're in cruise control, you'll notice the benefits there almost instantly. And again, if you use it and you drive it very conservatively, you're not flooring it at every red light, trying to race the guy next to you, you're probably going to get more than what's recommended on the window sticker. Don't take my word for it, every driver is different, but I have a lot of clients who come back and tell me that they are getting more than what the window sticker recommends. It's also important to note that with the ratings on the window sticker for all of the Hondas, that's in normal driving mode. So if you're driving real fuel efficiently with Econ on, you can beat that gas mileage and get better than what it recommends. Thanks again. If you liked the video, hit the like button down below, leave a comment in the comment section, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a good one.